10th class student, exercise 6.5, triangles. First question, first part. Draw a triangle, put any name and sides of triangle. "25 semi and 24 semi and 7 semi are given in question. At first, greatest side, write the BC, AC and other two. You write AB or BC. We find these sides are triangle of right triangle, yes or no? To find the right triangle, at first Pythagoras formula is proved, should be proved. So AC square is equal to AB square if triangle right triangle. To prove the Pythagoras formula, to put the value AC 25, AB 24 and BC value is 7. Remove the square. Square 25 square is 625. 24 square is 576 plus 9 square is 49. 625 after plus both number 65. So left hand side is right hand side. To show triangle ABC is a right triangle. According to figure, greatest side is, let be 25, opposite side of the angle B is equal to 90. तो हाइपोटेन्यूज हो जाएगी हमारी 25 से, ग्रेटेस्ट साइड is 25. Question first part, second part, third part. If left hand side is equal to right hand side, to show triangle right triangle. If left hand side not equal to right hand side, तो triangle ABC is not right triangle, not 90 degree or not a hypotenuse. Question first is complete. You can solve the all part as the question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is a triangle PQR where P is 90 and R. PM perpendicular, so M is in hypotenuse QR, perpendicular PM. So at first you write the given is triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 90 and PM perpendicular on QR. That is given to prove PM square is equal to QM into MR. Proof is triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 90 and PM perpendicular QR are given in question. So PM triangle, PM side, this right triangle divide in two similar part of triangle. So triangle RMP similar triangle PMQ. Angle R should be angle MP B and angle Q is equal to understand, draw two figure. M is 90 in two part and second triangle is other part, M is 90 or Q or P. R is equal to angle in this figure is P. So write the side of similar triangle. So at first write the triangle side RMP 90 or rounded एम आर अपॉन 90 और राउंडेड, पी एम इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल साइड ऑफ एम आर हैव बी रिटन, तो एम पी या पी एम अपॉन 90 और एम पी टी, 90 और एम पी टी इज एम क्यू या क्यू एम, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई थर्ड साइड नोट नीड फॉर टू राइट, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई पी एम इंटू पी एम इज इक्वल टू एम आर इंटू क्यू एम या एम क्यू, आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाई पी एम स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू क्यू एम इंटू एम आर, हैंस प्रूव्ड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 is complete. Question number 3 as question number 2. This time is triangle BAD where A is 90, D और B is acute angle और AC is perpendicular on DB. Question number 3. At first you write the given is triangle ABD, angle A is equal to 90 और and AC perpendicular on BD, that is given. To prove is first part, second part and third part. First part is AB square is equal to BC into BD. Second part is AC square is equal to BC into DC. And third part is AD square is equal to BD into CD. At proof two part, first part or second part. At first take in the triangle, in triangle CBA and triangle AB or D. To understand ये main, this is main triangle DAB and this triangle is first part, C is 90, A और B, तो एंगल BCA इज इक्वल टू एंगल A each angle of 90, and angle B is common in both triangle, first angle, first part and main triangle. Angle B is common. Triangle CBA similar triangle ABD by condition is double A. After the write the side of both similar triangle. AB upon round or MPT BD equal BC in this triangle, or 90 round is AB. After cross multiply AB into AB is equal to BC into BD. AB or into AB to make the AB square is equal to BCN into BD. Hence proof first part is complete. This in second part या third part triangles, take this second part of triangle in triangle CAD. That is now the triangle is second part. C is 90, D or A. D is common in this time. In triangle CAD and triangle ABD, angle DCA is equal to angle A, each angle of 90 degree, and angle D is common. Why D is common both triangle? Triangle CAD similar triangle ABD. Which condition? Condition is double angle. So both triangle are similar. Now write the AD is round or MPT is BD. Is equal to CD upon 90 or round AD After cross multiply, AD into AD is equal to BD into CD. After AD into AD is equal to AD square is equal to BD into CD or DC. Third part is complete. Second part is triangle CBA, similar triangle ABD, and triangle CAD, similar triangle ABD. Both have proved. तो शो ट्रायंगल CBA सिमिलर ट्रायंगल CAD. To understand, draw the figure. First part is C is 90, A or B. Second part is D, CA, C is 90, angle B is equal to angle A in this figure. So now write the inside. So BC upon BC is right round and right triangle. Other triangle is AC, and AC right or MPT is CD. In second triangle, after cross multiply, AC into AC is equal to BC into CD. या DC after multiply AC square is equal to BC into CD. Hence proved. Three question is complete. In this question number 4. Question number 4 is ABC and a isosceles triangle. Isosceles right triangle. So at first 90, C at 90. So write the C. A and B is acute angle. So this equal this. In triangle, question number 4, ABC. Angle C is equal to 90 and AC equal BC. that is given to prove is AB square is equal to 2AC square, that is given proof is right triangle ACB C is equal to 90, C is 90, तो AB is hypotenuse and BC is perpendicular और AC is base, तो AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square, that is Pythagoras formula. AC is equal to BC given in question. Why isosceles right triangle? So you can write the AC in place of BC. So AC square BC is right, AC square after plus AC 2AC square, that is hence proved. Question number 4 is complete. Thank you.